force will accelerate a 5.0 kilogram mass from 3.0 meters per second to 12 meters per second if it acts in a time of 0.30 seconds. What is the object's change in momentum? From the question, you are given with the following information. The mass is 5.0 kilograms, the initial velocity is 3.0 meters per second, and the final velocity is 12 meters per second. The time it takes is 0.30 seconds, and we are looking for force and change in momentum. This diagram illustrates an object with a mass of 5.0 kilograms moving at 3.0 meters per second. When a force is applied over 0.30 seconds, the mass accelerates to a velocity of 12 meters per second. To find the force, we use the impulse equation. Isolate force by dividing both sides by time and substituting in the values. Rounded to the correct sig figs, we get 1.5 times 10 to the power of 2 newtons. Next, use the change in momentum equation and substitute in the values. We get 45 kilograms meters per second rounded to the correct sig figs. Lastly, double check your units. What is the time required to stop a 2,500 kilogram car moving at 20 meters per second if a braking force of 7,500 newtons is applied? From the equation, you are given with the following information. The mass is 2,500 kilograms, the initial velocity is 20 meters per second, the final velocity is 0 meters per second, and the braking force is 7,500 newtons, and we are looking for time. This diagram illustrates a car with a mass of 2,500 kilograms moving at 20 meters per second and then braking with a force of 7,500 newtons to get a velocity of 0 meters per second. To find time, use the impulse equation. Isolate time by dividing force on both sides and then substituting in the values. We get time equals 7 seconds rounded to the correct sig figs. Double check your units. A 2.0 kilogram ball moving at 5.0 meters per second rebounds off a wall with speed 4.0 meters per second and time 0.45 seconds. What force was exerted? From the question, you were given with the following information. The mass is 2.0 kilograms, the initial velocity is 5.0 meters per second, the final velocity is 4.0 meters per second, and the time is 0.45 seconds. What is the force? This diagram illustrates a ball moving at a velocity of 5.0 meters per second, and after rebounding off a wall, it moves with a velocity of 4.0 meters per second. To find force, use the impulse equation. Isolate force by dividing both sides by time and then substituting in the values. Rounded to the correct sig figs, we get -40 newtons. Double check your units.